Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Mike from PyroDelta, a subsidiary of Stellarium. Today I'm very pleased to introduce to you our latest thermoelectric generator. This is a 200 watt emergency generator unit that runs of propane, butane, any camping fuel canister that you might have. This is a 100 gram isobutane, but also these units will come with a fitting that you can actually attach it to a large propane tank. Just to give you an idea of the size, this is about 1 foot by 8 inches, 12 inches by 8 inches. And for our friends across the pond, this is 300 millimeter by 200 millimeter. It weighs around about 4 pounds, 5 pounds. And it is very robust. It is all stainless steel construction and aluminum. So basically what we have here is our thermoelectric generators that are manufactured and casted in-house, sandwiched between a heat sink on this side, and on this side here we have a spreader plate. The function of this spreader plate here is to evenly distribute the heat across the entire module, so we get even distribution of the heat. It is very portable, it's very easy to move. And at the back here we have a burner, a gas burner that's designed specifically for this purpose. It will direct some of the heat to the spreader plate here, and the rest will escape upward. So let's attach this 100 gram butane canister. It's very easy. You just remove the cap. Of course, I took the cover off. We have a stainless steel cover for all of that with vents, and it looks very nice when it's enclosed, but I thought I would take it out just to show you how it looks like. Electrically, it is very simple. So the comes through this wire here that's encased in fiberglass, so it will prevent any damage to the wire itself. And here you have outlets. You can configure this the way you like to add any appliances that you might need. In this case, I attached it to a small circuit here to charge my cell phone. This unit is capable of producing 200 watt hour, providing that this burner here is working, and this side here is kept exposed to air. And of course, the more heat differential you have, the more electricity you will get out of this unit. So basically this will work very well if placed in cold climate. It will take about less than a minute to heat up, and then you will start generating electricity, and then you can just configure it the way you want. So let's turn it on and see how it's going to perform. And right now this spreader plate is being heated up, and as you can see, we started getting light on our little circuit here, on this circuit. So if I connect a load to it, let's say my phone for example, it's going to start generating electricity and charge my phone. Let's do that right now. I don't know if you can see the flame on the camera or not, but there is a flame. Alright, so let's turn it on while the load is attached to it, and let's see if this little generator can give us a very strong light and charge our device simultaneously. First we turn on the gas, light it up, give it some time to heat up. Now we started having lights. Let's try another load. I'm going to take out my phone. It actually can charge my phone and provide light simultaneously. As you can see, it's still charging. And now the phone is charging. Now I'm gonna use a 68 watt LED light just to demonstrate the capability of this generator. As you can see, this is very bright light. I don't know if the camera can capture that, but this is enough to light an entire room. This is a 68 watt LED module, white LED, and as long as you have a heat differential, let me just remove the light so you can see it. It's still on. Even when I turn off the butane and the heat energy or the heat source, the heat source is no longer there, you still have energy as long as you have a difference of temperature between the heat sink and the spreader plate here. So again, this is how big is the unit. Very easy to move around and easy to operate. And the reason we chose butane or propane, because diesel or gas has a shelf life. So if you're storing some diesel for an emergency, it goes bad after like 6 months. But if you have few canisters of these right here stored, you can always depend on it and you can always have power. If you have a large propane tank, you will always have power. And you can see how bright that is. 68 watt LED module, very bright. The camera is not doing it justice, guys. It is very bright. And as you can see, it's very portable and very reliable, simple, easy to maintain. You choose to use, and you can always find these online or any camping store, whether you choose to use the smaller cans or connected to a large propane tank. This small unit here will keep you powered during emergencies, hurricanes, power outages, and will always deliver stable, quiet, and reliable power. Not everybody wants a big generator, noisy, and it's very hard to start. Here you have a very simple setup. You just light it up, no moving parts. You don't need to change the oil. You don't need to change parts that wear and tear, because everything here is solid state. We make these from scratch. We make the thermoelectric modules that are sandwiched between these two plates in-house using materials sourced from North America. And our partner and our parent company, First Tellurium, are providing us with all the raw materials that we need. With that, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to us at www.pyrodelta.com, and our email is info@pyrodelta.com. Take care.